Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn Real English with Podcast. I'm Mark.
And I'm Olivia. Thank you so much for joining us in our very first episode. We're super excited about starting this journey with you.
Today, we're talking about something we all love, coffee, and more specifically, how to order coffee, talk to baristas, and understand real cafe culture.
Before we start, don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to our podcast, and leave a comment telling us what your favorite coffee drink is.
Yes, what about you listening? Do you prefer black coffee, latte, cappuccino, or something sweet?
Tell us, we want to know.
So, Olivia, why are we starting with coffee shop conversations?
Because it's one of the most useful real-life situations. If you travel, study abroad, or even just visit an international cafe in your city, you will need this vocabulary.
Exactly. Coffee shops are more than places to drink coffee. They're places to meet friends, study, work, relax, or hide from responsibilities, which I never do. Never.
Sure, Mark, we believe you. Let's start with some useful words people hear at cafes.
Good idea. Okay, everyone listening, repeat after us if you can.
Barista, the person who prepares your coffee.
Counter, where you place your order.
To go, or takeaway, when you want to take the coffee out of the cafe.
Dine in or for here, when you want to drink your coffee inside.
And brew, which means to prepare coffee.
Audience question, do you usually drink your coffee to go or for here?
Yeah, tell us in the comments.
All right, let's teach our listeners how to order. Olivia, pretend you are the barista. I'm a customer.
Perfect. Let's go.
Walks to the imaginary counter. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. What can I get for you today?
I'd like a medium cappuccino, please.
Sure, for here or to go.
For here.
Anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Your total is $4.50.
Easy, right?
Very easy. And now your turn, listeners. Try saying this. I'd like a small latte, please.
Come on, say it. We can't hear you, but we trust you're practicing. Mark, you promised to share your most embarrassing coffee shop story. Yes, I did. Okay, here it goes. Once I ordered a large black coffee in a new cafe. Simple, right? But they gave me a cup so big, I swear I needed 2 hands to lift it. It looked like a bucket.
A bucket of sadness.
Yes, and the barista said, "Are you sure you can handle all that caffeine?" And I said, "Yes, of course." 3 sips later, my hands were shaking like crazy.
Did you finish it?
No, I thought I would fly.
All right, my turn. I once ordered a soy latte, but instead of saying soy, I said sorry. So I basically said, I'd like a sorry latte?
A latte that apologizes to you.
Exactly. The barista looked at me like, why is she apologizing to her coffee?
Listeners, have you ever made a coffee mistake? Tell us.
Yes, share your funniest moment in the comments. We might read it in the next episode.
Olivia, you've traveled a lot. Are coffee shops different in other countries?
Definitely. For example, in Italy, people drink espresso very fast, standing at the counter. It's like a quick shot.
In the US, people walk around with giant cups like they're carrying a small child.
True. In some places, cafes are quiet and cozy. In others, they're loud, full of students, laptops, and people writing books they will never finish.
That's cafe culture. Drinks, people, and atmosphere all mixed together.
Okay, time for useful expressions. Everyone listening, repeat with us.
Could I get a mocha, please?
Do you have any non-dairy milk?
Can you make it with less sugar?
Is Wi-Fi available?
Can I have a glass of water?
Perfect. These phrases will make you sound confident and natural.
Now let's teach you how to make small talk in a cafe. Olivia, ask me something.
Busy day today?
Yeah, super busy. I needed a break.
Me too. Nothing better than a good coffee, right?
Exactly.
You can use these lines to talk to a barista, a friend, or even a stranger if you feel brave.
All right, listeners, we have questions for you. 1. What's your go-to coffee order? 2. Do you prefer to drink coffee alone or with friends? 3. Have you ever made a funny coffee mistake?
Tell us in the comments or send a message. We love reading your stories.
This was such a fun first episode. Thank you for hanging out with us in our podcast studio.
If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with someone who loves coffee.
And join us next time for episode 2, where we'll explore more real English you can use every day.
Until then, enjoy your coffee, practice your English, and stay awesome.
Bye.